Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Wallpaper or Wallpapers in Style. Once there, tap the active wallpaper source and look specifically for online, daily, or theme service options. Immediately disable any sync, online wallpaper, or daily wallpaper toggle so images stop streaming. Then choose a local photo from Gallery or Samsung's default static options to replace it. This eliminates network updates. You do this first to stop ongoing downloads and visual changes before moving on to deeper fixes. Once done, go to Settings right arrow apps and find the theme, wallpaper provider, or Samsung themes entry. Force stop the app, then disable it or uninstall updates to remove any automatic wallpaper feeds. Make sure to clear cache and storage so cached online wallpapers are removed. Next, revoke internet access and background data for that app. Preventing network use stops fresh images from arriving. If the provider is a third-party app, uninstall it entirely. These steps prevent the service from restarting or re-downloading wallpapers. You finish by rebooting the phone to ensure changes persist. Once booted, verify the wallpaper is now a static local image. If unwanted wallpapers return, restart into safe mode to check for third-party apps causing updates. If the problem disappears in safe mode, uninstall recently installed wallpaper or theme apps. If persistent, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort to remove stubborn providers. Troubleshooting tip: safe mode is the key diagnostic step when everything else fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.